Hey guys, just finished the teepee, 63 teepee. New weather stripping, new walls, new framing where needed, new countertop, new detail chroming here, new fridge, new powder coat on the stove and sink. Got our little cooking station there. Propane light, battery and electric light. I'll be installing a curtain rod going across the top, cover a bunk bed that's yet to be installed. Don't need it, so I'm not going to bring it for teepee rally. Humongous bed. This table flips out and extends. New flooring. New lots of stuff. Anyways, not bad for a 10-foot camper. Talk to you later.